Hello again, Constantine Rachal here, CEO of Sonata Telecare. I wanted to give you a quick demo of our technology. I've already logged in, but our integration layer is using MedPlum, which allows us to ensure that we have end-to-end security, as well as compliance regulatory requirements for healthcare institutions. So that part has already been resolved. The first thing we're going to do is select a data set that we currently have, and you can see how the data set has been audited, and it gives you the options of what you can select between sensitive attributes and specific health outcomes. Then let's run the bias detection engine. And as you can see, quite a few things pop up here. First of all, we have individual metrics, these are industry standard metrics for demographic parity and equalized odds and disparate impact and calibration error. But we also have something here what we call the composite fairness score. This basically takes all of these scores and combines them into a single fairness index. And this allows us to do other things that we're going to want to do a bit later, which is create clinical narratives that are aligned with the specific level of trust in those narratives given to us by existing AI. So, for example, if an AI says that a patient has diabetes, well, we want to know, does that recommendation align well with ethical AI guidelines? And our composite fairness index tells us if it's trusted and if we're on that chain is not trusted or not. The next step we can look at is some of the fairness visualizations, but those are just to give you a bit of a heat map if you're interested in looking at that. Let's see, I get it to work here. There we go. A bit of a heat map gives us a breakdown of the calculations for each of the heat map, which is very important for data scientists and others who are looking for more broader level explanation and validation of our calculations and the mathematics and the scientific basis for our technology. And then last piece of it, of course, is our regulatory requirements I'm going to show here. So it tells us whether or not not only does our technology and our findings regulatory align, but also the data set that we get as well. So I hope that helps. Please reach out to us for more information. Thanks a lot and hope to talk to you soon.